Okay, here's another hive. Wow, they're looking good. Get my glove on. They haven't been bothered in months. Oh yeah, these guys are gonna... They're coming after me. Woo-hoo. Oh man. They are looking good. Pretty good. Gonna need another box to get everything in there. And close it back up. It's really close to 65 here now today. Let me put this in there. Put this over here. Okay, there we go. Sugar in there. I got a jar of crystallized honey that I harvested from these two hives. So it's pure honey. It's their honey. I'm just giving it back to them, and being crystallized, it's not going to pour all over the hive. They can get in there, and the little humidity from the hive, they'll break it down and ingest it. So yeah, this one's looking better. Looks strong. This looks like it's going to be the strongest hive. I haven't done a complete inspection, so I don't know what's going on down below, but if there's that many bees on top, there's a lot more of them probably down below, I would guess. Okay, done. Woohoo! Got that taken care of. What a relief. Making sure they have plenty of food. They should be making it now for another month. Whew, God willing, and I know God is willing. Protect the bees.